guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, I have my first day of work at Amazon and it's the night shift. So I was thinking, why don't I just take you guys along with me for like a day in the life? I know for the first day we do like a training in the classroom, so it's not going to be too much. I'm just thinking like, how am I going to survive? It's 6 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. So that's going to be very interesting. So let's just see how it is, guys. I just woke up. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. So I only have a couple more hours to just like relax and chill before it's time for me to go to work. Sorry, guys. So yeah, I'm just thinking like, what should I eat for lunch? How am I gonna survive through it? But I can do it, so. Hey guys, okay, so I'm ready for my very first day. Ignore my little backdrop. This is for when I do sit down videos in the bathroom, so just be quiet. But anyways, so I am ready for my first day of work. I'm wearing just a hoodie and some like sweatpants. I'll probably show you guys more when I'm at work, but I'm about to go pick up my food for lunch. I'm getting teriyaki madness. I love teriyaki madness. I had it yesterday, so yeah, I'm just about to go get that. But yeah, let's go to work. So I just picked up my food. I'm about to leave and go to work. It's like 20 minutes away, so let's go. So this is my food, y'all. I'm just eating a little bit before I go inside because I'm hungry and it's fresh right now. But it comes with the spicy chicken, some rice, and then like veggies. So it's super healthy.
Passive with the things you say, passing up on my always, I can't blame you now. No. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I leave, you can go.
So it's day one. My headband already coming off. Like I'm like, should I just take it off? I'll just take it off. I have my pre-workout. It's 10:30 right now. We get 30 minutes to eat. I'm gonna drink my pre-workout so I can stay up till 4, because Lord knows I'm not used to that. And then, you know, I got my teriyaki madness that I showed y'all in the car. I can't wait to eat it. I'm starving. I warmed it up in the microwave. But yeah, they took us on a tour. Pretty much just showed us what it is that we're gonna be doing at our stations. I'm a stower, so that's basically the person that takes the products out. And the sauce is so good, mad sauce, fire. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking the products out. And basically, once I scan it, it goes onto Amazon. So that's interesting and that's kind of cool. But yeah, after this, we're probably gonna go and learn what we actually do at our station. So yeah, I will update you guys on my day when I can. Technically, I'm not supposed to record, but for YouTube. I'm gonna finish my lunch because we only get 30 minutes, so.
You got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to have. No doubt. Yeah.
Alright, bottles on me. Long as someone drink it. Never drop the ball. fuck are y'all thinking? Making sure the young money ship is never sinking. About to set it off in this bitch Jada Pinkett. I shouldn't have drove. Tell me how I'm getting home. You too fine to be laying down in bed alone. I could teach you how to speak my language, Rosetta Stone. I swear this life is like the sweetest thing I've ever known. About to go Thriller, Mike Jackson on these niggas. All I need's a fucking red jacket with some zippers. Super good Smitto, a package of the Swishers. I did it overnight, it couldn't happen any quicker. Y'all know them, well fucking me either. But point the biggest skeptic out, I make them a believer. It wouldn't be the first time I done it, throwing hundreds when I should be throwing ones. Bitch, I run it. One thing about music, when it hits you, feel no pain. And I swear I got this shit that make these bitches go insane. So they tell me that they love me, I know better than that. It's just game, it's just what comes with the fame. And I'm ready for that, I'm just saying, but I really can't complain. Everything is kosher, 2 thumbs up, Eva and Roper.
Hey guys, so I'm back from my 10-hour shift. It's 5 a.m. now, and it wasn't that bad. As you saw, the job is pretty repetitive. You just pretty much doing the same thing over and over and over. So that's kind of what you can expect on your very first day. We had a little bit of classroom training, and then we had lunch, and then we pretty much just like was at our stations for the night. I can't even talk, I'm so tired. For the rest of the night, for like 5 hours, we were at our stations. So then tomorrow I have to go back at 6 p.m. instead of 7 and work again until 4:30 a.m. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Long as someone drank it, never dropped the ball. Fuck are y'all thinking? Making sure